Hey, it's Lay! Welcome to my very first YouTube channel video. Tama ba yun? So, finally, nakapag-decide na talaga ako na gumawa ng video kasi I really love to share my thoughts about the products that I encounter or discover as I journey in this beauty world. Tama ba yun? Anyways, let's get to our beauty haul. I just got this from the mail today. It's from Althea, Korea, obviously, straight from Korea. So let's open the box. Ta-da! So I got some goodies and I'm gonna tell you about my thoughts about these products. So let's start with this Nature Republic aloe vera gel. Actually, this is already my second tub of it. Kasi I have really loved this product. I bought it for 150 pesos in Althea, Korea. And then the packaging is really big. As you can see, this is my face and this half of my face is the tub. Kaya super sulit talaga siya. And then I have my old one open so I can tell you the smell. It smells like fresh, bagong ligo smell. And then, yung consistency niya, obviously, parang gel, ganun. Pero, once you put it on your skin na, nagiging watery siya. It slides off easily. Ayun. I can really say na effective talaga to kasi, nung nilagay ko siya sa face ko, one time, na-slide ko siya sa lips. And then, yung effect, after 5 seconds, naging tingly siya. Tapos, yung lips ko na super dry. Super dry kasi palagi ako nag-wear ng matte liquid lipstick. Kasi bet ko yung matte. Yung lips ko, focus. Yung lips ko, naging plump siya. From wrinkly to plump after 5 seconds. So, I can really say effective to. So, I highly recommend this. Next product is this one, the Elizavecca Skin Layer Primer. Oh, by the way, sorry, yung aloe vera gel pala, it says here na you can use it as a face mask. You will apply it on your face for like 30 minutes and then you wash it off. Then you can use it as moisturizer. Then you apply it on a thin layer. Then you can use it as a hair mask to make your hair healthy. Okay. As I was saying, Elizavecca primer. I bought it for 250 at Althea, Korea. So the packaging is quite okay. Maganda naman siya. Tapos, it says here in the website, it is covering pores, care to fill pores and irregularities in the face. One. And then second one is it is also moisturizing, moisturize skin and keeps skin smooth from texture. And then it is good for keeping makeup, to maintain makeup for a long period of time. And the fourth one is, it is also whitening and wrinkle improvement. Double functional daw siya. And may certificate pa dito. Nakalagay, double functional cosmetic certification. So, siguro, effective talaga siya. At ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito. Kasi sabi dito, sa mga reviews, magaling siya sa sebum control. The sebum control powder in the primer absorbs excessive sebum in the pore. Because I'm such an oily girl, I really need oil control stuff on my face. Okay? Okay. Okay. Ito yung packaging and then I'm gonna open it for you. And then, yung smell. Ewan ko. I don't know how to describe the smell, pero ano siya? Girly smell. Smells good, actually. Tapos yung consistency niya, maganda, nagustuhan ko. Kasi, Ayoko yung mga primer na parang silicone to the feel. Ito siya, para siyang moisturizer consistency, which I like better than yung mga silicone. Ayoko yun. Hindi naman siya nagkaka-oily. Parang moisturizer nga lang. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you if nagustuhan ko to. So, for the next product, I got this Pro Artist Liquid Concealer Kill Cover. Alakay is one of my favorite YouTubers. She's been raving about this one. So, bumili na ako kasi I've been breaking out like crazy lately. As you can see, I have a pimple. I got the shade 3BO Ginger. As you can see here. Ay, sorry. Ito siya. I don't know. Ito yung, sorry, Lingerie, which is the lightest shade. 3BY, which is in the shade 21 also. And then, itong 4BO I got in Ginger. It's in number 23. I know this shade 23 is lighter because I got the Misha before and then masyado siyang light kaya bumili ako ng bago. You will see later. So, I'm gonna swatch it for you. I bought this one for, I don't know, mga 900 ba yun? Siguro, around there. Pero, I'll just link it down below, yung mga price and kung magkano sila lahat, okay? So, this is how it looks like. Decent amount. Malaki talaga siya for a concealer. Kasi meron ako ng L'Oreal na concealer. Masyado siyang maliit. Half lang siya. Tapos, parang 500 siya. It comes with this one. Meron na siyang liquid concealer. Meron din siyang pencils. And with a sharpener. Okay, let's swatch it. Wala siyang smell. Smells like a regular concealer. Ito siya. May doe applicator siya. Tapos, let's swatch. I don't know if you can see. Please focus. I'm so bad at this. I'm so sorry. Okay. Let's mix it in. Wow, right off the bat, I can really tell you na super full coverage talaga siya. There. I'm gonna apply it on my pimple. Manipis lang yun, ha? In fairness na wala. Kuha pa tayo. Anyways. Ay, nako. Sorry, too much blabbering. Eto, may dalawa pang pencil. Yung isa, naka-yellow undertone. I don't know if you can see. Tapos yung isa naman, medyo pinkish undertone. So, let's have a swatchy-roo. I guess this is for the eyebrows. Wow, I love this one. I'm gonna have eyebrows on fleek. So, this is the first one I'm swatching is the yellow undertone. Then, ito yung pinkish undertone. I see. Medyo chalky yung pinkish undertone. I don't know if it's just because bago pa siyang labas or what. Ito siya. Ito yung yellow undertone. And then, ito yung white undertone. And then, ito yung liquid concealer. I love it. Siguro, I'll tell you somehow how it works sa next mga videos ko. And then, the last thing I got is this Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream. As I told you kanina, meron na akong Misha na number shade 23. Pero masyado yung puti sa akin kasi I'm kinda tan right now. Kasi palagi ako naggagala eh. I love traveling, so medyo maitim. Kaya this one is in shade number 24. No, I'm so sorry. 27 pala. 27. Which has a little bit of yellow undertone in it. So, I got it for 560, I guess, at Althea Korea. And then, this is the packaging, which is very decent amount. Like, it's like 50 ml for 560 pesos. And most of our, diba, foundation is like 30 ml or 25 ml lang. Yung mga L'Oreal Pro Matte, which is at the drugstore, 700 pesos. Tapos, 30 ml lang ata yun. Kaya, super sulit. Obviously, second tub ko na to. Pero hindi ko pa naubos yung first. Binili ko siya kasi gusto ko talaga mag-take care sa skin ko. Kasi ito, it says here, Missha M Perfect Cover BB Cream offers a novel skincare concept with BB cream which lightens skin tone by healing visible wrinkles. Kahit wala pa akong visible wrinkles, I don't want to have that in the future. And blemishes with excellent skin covering ability, and it prevents skin from aging through effective whitening and anti-wrinkle properties. So, para hindi naman masyadong nakaka-guilty sa skin ko, syempre, I love the full coverage stuff, like foundations on the market, pero I don't wanna, you know, pack on my face with lots and lots of products na masyado na makapal. Kaya ito, para siyang all-in-one, nakaka-moisturize siya, meron siyang sun protection, nakaka-lighten din siya ng skin, tapos nakaka-prevent pa from aging. Kaya I love this one. So, let's open this one and then smell. Kasi sabi ko, mag-smell pa ako eh. Ano ba yan? Sorry. Ayan! So, ito siya. As you can see. And then, yung consistency niya, just like any, para siyang foundation actually. Ang kapal ng ano niya, ang coverage niya, para siyang medium to full coverage na. Unlike other BB cream na masyadong, you know, light consistency. Like, napadami din ata kasi. Basta, alam ko, unlike other BB creams, ito talaga, Missha, yung consistency niya, full coverage to medium coverage siya. Hindi siya yung light lang. Kaya, super swak. Ito yun. Ito yung, sorry. Ayan. Ito yung shade number 27. It matches my skin so much better than the old one. Siguro, gagawa ako somehow ng comparison dun sa shade 23. Dito sa shade 27. Okay? So, that's it. Those are all the things that I got from Althea Korea. And then, I think I still have something here. May freebies sila. May freebies sila nila. HA7 Whitehead Power Liquid by COSRX. And then, Ultimate Moisturizing Honey Overnight Mask by COSRX also. So, that's everything, I guess. I hope you enjoyed. And then, please comment in the comment box below kung ano yung mga gusto nyong gawin kong videos in the future because I need more suggestions. Okay? Till then, see you around!